I am extremely sure that there have been moments in everyone's life when you had to carry some very small items and you didn't do it thinking that you might not need it until you actually do. And the reason we don't carry such items, it's too small and too awkward to carry, and we don't have the right equipment to carry them. And that's what we're going to be changing today. Coming up in this video, let's go. Hi, my name is Ayan. On this channel, I help you find the right tools for your daily life adventures, and some life adventures can only be solved by very small, extremely small everyday carry items, which are really awkward to carry. Sometimes you don't have the right vessel, right pouch to carry them. And throughout my life as an EDC enthusiast, I have been advocating that every EDC item deserves to be carried with dignity. There should be special pouches, and every item should have a good place, a good home to stay. But then there are some awkward small items that is really hard to carry. So I'm talking about toothpicks, I'm talking about your medicines, your pills, I'm talking about screw bits, I'm talking about fire starters and all those kind of thing. And since a very long time, I have also been struggling to carry such items. I want to put them in my EDC, but again, these are too awkward to carry and I couldn't find the right home until just a few months ago, because that's when I decided that I want to create a product that can carry such items, and thus I can put them in my everyday carry. So introducing a new product, a new drop in the APX tool shop lineup, and this is called Psylocks. These are the two EDC canisters that can help you carry these items. So over the last few months, I have been testing them rigorously, taking them to different trips, and I think I have finally perfected them and it's ready to launch and put them on the website so you guys can also buy it. I have been teasing them here and there. I have shown them in the last couple of videos, and also if you're part of my Instagram subscribe channel, then you might have already seen it. So do subscribe to it if you haven't already. But without further ado, let me take you to the overhead camera, introduce you to the APX tool Psylocks, and also show you why this will be a great companion for our everyday carry. So let's go. Alright, so here we are on the overhead camera, and this is the new APX tool product drop, introducing APX tool Psylocks, the two EDC canister that will help you carry the small awkward items that you want to be carrying as a part of your everyday carry, but then you couldn't figure it out how to best do it. So these are the two stainless steel canisters, and as you can see, these are really small, relatively easy to carry as a part of your keychain. Also in your pocket, it can go into the jeans pocket, the smaller pocket as well. So nothing fancy here, just a small canister. Basically comes in two colors. This one is the matte black, and this one is more of a metallic nude, sort of a stainless steel finish. So both of these come up with this keychain, so you can attach it to your key organizer or whatever you like to carry it, and it becomes a really essential part of your everyday carry. And it comes in a pair, so you can also mix and match the caps, and I'm going to show you what all you can carry in a moment. But talking about the look, you will also find the APX tool new logo over here and the branding over here like this. And this also comes with one more thing, so for that I need to open it. So all the canisters come up with this metallic sort of a prick, which you can use to open packages, which you can also use as a toothpick, and it matches the color of the canister. So in the black one you will get the black one, in this one you will get at this, and then you can use it as a toothpick, as a package opener, as sort of a prick. So all the things that you can do with it. So it comes with it, but you can also remove it and put different things that you want. Talking about the cap, as you can see, there is a small rubber gasket over here which makes this canister waterproof, so it's great to also carry items such as cotton buds, band-aids, and maybe some fire starters, or also things like medicine. So it's extremely waterproof, and I have tested it in rivers. I've also tested it while rafting. It says waterproof, so that's a great part. And also here you will get the keychain, so you can attach it to your key organizer. And one of the things that I like to do is I like to put a small sort of a super glue drop or a double tape and then attach it over here. So whenever you open it, you have a prick ready to go for opening packages and for toothpick and whatnot. But let me also show you the black one. So this one is the metallic one, and this one is the black one. Similarly, everything is there, and you also get a small prick over here, but this one is in black color. So yeah, that's what you will be getting it, a pair of APX tool Psylocks, the stainless steel canister, and you can use it for carrying different things, the small awkward things. But let me also show you what other things I have been carrying. Of course, it's not limited, and I'm sure you will have more things that you can carry it. But let me give you an idea and then help you out to make some decisions. So over here I have everything on my key organizer, but let's start over one by one. As I was also mentioning, you can mix and match the caps, and that's how I like to carry it. The black one with the metal cap and the metal one with the black cap, and I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. So let's start from here only. So this is the first canister that I have, and in this one I am carrying some toothpicks, and this is one of the best things that I like to carry with me, because when we are going out in cafes, in hotels, in restaurants, then after eating food, sometimes you don't get toothpick, and it's always great to have a set of toothpicks with you. I think it can easily carry 7 to 10 different toothpicks. It will not carry full-size toothpicks, so I have to cut a little bit on the top because it's not that large. But yeah, you can always carry some toothpicks, and this always stays in my key organizer. Especially when I was traveling in Europe, it comes really handy, because for some reason you don't get toothpicks easily in European cafes. Also, my friends were always asking for this these toothpicks. So whenever I go out, I just refill it, and then the toothpicks are always ready to go with me. So that was the first thing that I still have with me in my key organizer. The next thing that I like to carry, let's check this one out. I think I have also shown this one in a last to last video. Yes, so this one is the fire starter and tinder. So this is sort of a tinder that you can use to sustain fire, and this is the flint rod tool that you can use to start fire. This one is by Victorinox and it comes in a kit. So I put them inside this canister, and then these goes in my camping bag, in my camping pouch. I have shown in a couple of videos back what's in my EDC tech pouch, and there I also put this canister, because whenever I'm going out, I'm camping, I'm staying in outdoors, and it's really great to have functionality of starting fire and sustaining it. Then let's check out this one. So I don't know what's inside this one. Okay, so this one is carrying my emergency cash stack. So over here you can see that I'm carrying a 500 rupees note. So this one can also be used to carry some emergency cash, and you have to fold it, because again this is not the big canister. I want to make it a smaller size, so you have to fold it a little bit, but once you do it, you will always have some sort of emergency cash with you. So yeah, that's what you can also carry it over here. Talking about the next thing, so this one might have some screw bits, and yes, so this one has some extra screw bits that you can use to for example, if you're already having a Tyzac, then you can have some extra screw bits over here for your bit driver. So this one carries the standard size. I think this one is the Xiaomi size, so it can carry 4 to 5 different one easily. So if you have a bit driver and you want to carry some additional bit, then definitely you can use it for this one. And last but not the least, this is another canister, and this is the favorite way of carrying pills. So this one is my mouth freshener, but if you have small tablets, if you have some supplements that you take, then as I mentioned, it's waterproof, then you can definitely add it over here. For example, here it's my sort of a mouth freshener, which I always keep it with me. So this, along with the toothpick one, and sometimes the emergency cash, it always stays in my key organizer. And as I was mentioning, you can add it to your key organizer like this, and then you can make it as a part of your everyday carry. So Psylocks will be available on this website as this video goes live, and you will get a pair whenever you order one. So yeah, that's all I wanted to share in this video. And I want to give you a huge shout out for supporting the APX Tool shop. I have been getting quite a good amount of orders, and you guys have been giving really good feedback on the products you are getting, on how we can improve it, what are the things that I can add in my store. So thank you very much for supporting this channel. Last but not the least, subscribe to the newsletter if you haven't already. The link will be in the description. Subscribe to the Instagram page to see the BTS of my everyday carry in my pocket dumps. And once again, if you're not part of the Reddit community, then you can also join that. The link will be in the description below, along with the link to buy the APX Tool Psylocks. So thank you for sharing to the very end, and I'm gonna see you in the next one.